Welcome back, AVGeek community. In this check ride, we'll be showing clips of Asian and Pacific Island Dreamliners at LAX. This is part 2 of 3 of the Dreamliners of LAX. If you haven't seen part 1, at the end there will be a link for the Dreamliners of North and South America. All these clips were filmed in one day on December 3rd, 2023 from Imperial Hill at LAX. Stay till the end and we have 2 special surprises. One of Japan Airlines in the One World livery and one of the rarest Dreamliners, Air Tahiti Nui.
Make sure all seats are in the upright position and trays are put away before we take off.
Sounds like we got our permission to take off. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened, sit back, and enjoy the Dreamliners of Asia and the Pacific Islands. Here at AVGeek Tours, we are not monetized nor are we financially compensated by any businesses referenced in our videos. So can you help us out by leaving a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed to our channel, and hit the notification button so you know when future videos are released. If you'd like to help us spread the love of aviation, please buy us a cup of coffee. The link to our coffee fund is in the description below. Even the smallest donation will help us continue our mission to find and share the best aviation attractions out there. Don't forget to check out our store as well. Here you'll find goodies such as shirts, coffee mugs, and even collector plates showcasing special liveries. Be sure to check back periodically as we are always growing and improving our merch. Check us out at shop.avgeek.com. Now sit back and enjoy Japan in the One World livery and one of the most beautiful Dreamliners, Air Tahiti Nui.
approach, please make sure that all seats are in the upright position and trays are put away.
Well, on that note, it's time for us to stow away our electronics. Don't forget to check out our Instagram at AVGeek Tours for daily photos, as well as our website, AVGeekTours.com, to see our upcoming trips. The links are in the description below. Join us again next time as we continue our journey. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy spotting.